Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. It has been 10 years since Parrot launched the consumer-focused AR drones. Today, the company's focused on the Anafi line for consumers, commercial applications, and security. The latest to hit the market is the amazing little Anafi FPV, remarkably compact and yet fully capable. It's easy to get up in the air and get amazing results with its 4K camera. The company's Chris Roberts.
Open the backpack, fully deployed within 20 seconds, so you can put other people in the cockpit with the FPV glasses.
Parrot Cecilia Natalia Hage says there were some design changes too.
The weight of the drone is lighter. Now it's 11 ounces, and we actually improved the flight time
to an impressive 26 minutes on a charge. Among the mode settings are cinematic and racing. The price, about $800. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.